Did someone say they wanted to open some fucking dragons? Dragamonz. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna see who gets better stuff. That's what we like to do. This one's his. This one's mine. Let's pack battle. Probably want to have like an X-Acto knife or something to open these up. So it comes with, oh, it's sealed pretty good, but so you got your egg on top, and you got 2 eggs on bottom. And then underneath in the wrapping, there's a pack of dragon cards and a pack of battle cards. So the dragons are going to always correspond with your eggs. Well, what's inside the eggs, because it can change. And the rest of this stuff you don't need. So if I open these up right now, it'll kind of spoil it. So we're just going to go open the eggs first. I can give you like a small rundown on how to play once we open the cards if nobody knows how to play. But it's a very simple game. Probably can sit down and play a game in a couple minutes. So we got a fire egg. I'm just going to call this an ice egg and a grass egg, even though that's not really that's not what they're called. So the chaser is Dax. That's the dragon everybody's looking for, and that's actually him. What are the chances? I'm gonna have to double check the card to see if that's his name, because if it could just look similar to Dax. This guy's pretty cool. He's got his little club, flame wings, and then we have one left. Oh wow. We've got a lot of detail on these little things. So on the card, for the dragon cards, they're going to have a couple of stats. And each pack of dragon cards, there's a checklist. So the green egg would have been Wild Thorn, nature power. So there's a checklist for each of the factions. So we have Nocturnus. He's 40 attack, 20 counter attack, 6 skill level, and he's fast. That's what the wing icon means. And that means Wild Thorn. So on the back, you have his charged stats. So when they're charged, they're a little bit stronger. And they always have an effect box on that side. So versing a Sly Toxin, I believe, he would be 90-70. And we did pull Dax. And a Malador. So I believe these versions, they're all regular versions, right? But then you also have each of these in their mystic form. And those are also a bit stronger than the regular one. So on the turn this dragon charges, if you have a fucking, whatever ally. And then in this pack, we would have the cards that we play with. So I'm just going to open them up and show you exactly what a card looks like and give a little explanation. And then we'll go to my brother so he can open up his pack. So this means it's a boost of 10. You charge it. So when you play this, you boost him and you charge. And it's a skill level of 0. So say this was going with Nocturnus. Nocturnus's skill level is 6. So if this number was 1, he would have 5 skill level remaining to use in the deck. So this number, the combined number in the deck, can never equal more than that. A lot of stuff to charge and give boosts. a deck is only 5 cards. So basically the way it goes is that the first player takes their turn. It's a pretty good card. The first player would take their turn, say who they're attacking with, and who they are attacking. Both players play a card. The attacker is attacking with their attack number, and the defender who's being attacked is using that number. But you both play a card. The winner of that battle takes their card, puts it back on the bottom of their deck, and the other opponent is knocked out. So most of the time, these games, they're not going to last very long. Maybe a couple of exchanges before the game is over. Alright, now my brother's going to open his.
It's a gold egg! No, I'm just kidding. Here, Dr. Manhattan, help me out here. Alright. This is looking pretty earthy. This is looking like some type of stone or metal. This one looks like fire!
This one is bone.
Ah, bone, you say?
Yeah, there's a faction that's entirely dragons that are like bones. And each of the dragons, I don't know if you could tell by looking at it, but they're like mixed with animals.
Ooh, wow.
That's a mystic. So it would just be whatever his name is, and then mystic.
Let's see what else we get in here. Looks a little funny.
I think that's definitely a turtle. It's like a buffalo. If they could be mixed with two things, then he'd be like a buffalo turtle, I guess. 'Cause he has a shell.
Ooh.
Good stuff.
He's like pretty dope. Close up. Alright. Let's take a look at our packs here. The character pack is obviously a lot thinner. Alright, we got Bruise. Take
That's
a
the
day out,
charged
chilling
side.
with the bros. Oh, wrong side. Black Fire Mystic. Let's take a look at that other side though. 50 counter? God darn.
It's pretty good. Some of the sides on the back just be pretty strong.
As far as I can see, this dude's got a 7. Oh, this dude's got a 7 too. Ooh. So it looks like this one counters this one. Take a quick slide by all these.
The Chase Dax.
Dark Matter, Ancestral Graveyard, Shadow of Doubt, Rocket Launch. That's pronounced kind of funny. Rapid Response, Caved In, Monolithic Defense, Stone Revenge.
Alright, We're gonna go have our own little battle, guys.
Thanks for watching.